Man, it feels good to be back making videos. My name is Jalen with Growth Inspired. I am back to make a video. I haven't made a new video in over a month as I was adjusting to moving and getting situated into my new house, and life just got crazy these past few weeks. I hope you guys miss me because I miss y'all so much. This time, I'm going to be talking about email marketing and why is it so useful for business owners and entrepreneurs. It's such a handy tool if you know how to leverage it. So definitely look into this video here as I will be going over stuff in detail, talking about the usefulness for email marketing. So definitely check out this video here. You definitely do not want to miss out. Before I get started with this video, I want to let you guys know to definitely check out my new store that I got with YouTube. You can buy my apparel, you can support the movement directly from YouTube. So check out the store, the Growth Inspired shop. I got a couple of goodies, I make designs, I made them myself, and it helps support my channel and support what I do. So definitely hit the description at the bottom, browse the store and look at the shop. I got tons of goodies that you may be interested in. I got shirts, hoodies, I got vinyl stickers, I even have cups. Just definitely look into that shop there. I'll definitely link for you guys there. Everyone knows what email marketing is. If you ever signed up for a plan, or if you signed up for a purchase, or if you signed up for alerts to your email, you get tons of dozens, even hundreds of emails for different kind of opportunities for sales, newsletters, just a heads up, a couple of different things in general. So email marketing can help reach an audience through their email. You know, you don't have to waste any paper like newspapers or having to send stuff to the mail. It can be sent directly to the customer's email. Email marketing can be helpful as, let's say you had people who was inquiring about your services but they didn't fully convert into a transaction. You may be able to collect their email if you do it right. With collecting their email, you can always send them newsletters and updates and specials and promos. You can basically keep reaching your audience more and more. And then it's also good if you already have returning customers who were wanting to keep shopping with you. If they purchased, let's just say, a shirt or so, you can have their information and save it, and you can send them new letters and new emails to remind them of new specials and new promos, and it can be used as an opportunity to have an already warm audience and help convert that into more transactions. The best way for me to explain it for like a sales funnel, you have a cold audience, you have a warm audience, then you have a hot audience. Email marketing can be used mostly for your warm and your hot audience who were already inquiring or interested in buying or using your services or products. Email marketing can be very, very, very helpful as it can help convert those transactions, or it can help retain customers or keep them in mind. Like if you keep bugging them, like they will always keep you in mind whenever they're ready to convert into a transaction. And then a lot of times you don't have to just keep spamming their inbox saying buy my stuff, buy my stuff, buy my stuff. No, you can just give them helpful information. You can give them free resources, give them like tips and tricks, or let them read a free article, or it can be even giveaways. It can be tons of different stuff. You don't have to just keep hounding people to purchase your products or your services. You can always give value or give free knowledge to people, and they greatly benefit that so much. And the good thing about that, if you give value and knowledge, they can help share it to other people, and then it can spread from there. It's always good to keep that in mind about email marketing. A lot of people don't take the time to collect their customers or their inquirers' information, and you can let a lot of money out the window, as if you don't have a way to follow up with them or to reach back out with them, they may forget about you, or they may have to ask someone else. So you definitely want to consider that. There's tons of different tutorials and videos out there explaining how you can collect, their names and their email, and doing it the right way, and then have a database of that. So it's a very simple process. It's not very hard to do at all. I've done it multiple times. I've released newsletters. I even sent out blast emails letting them know about specials or promotions. And some people, they are inquired and they shop again, or they just don't reply or ignore it. So that is part of it. It's very helpful to have some kind of email marketing solution. It can be very, very, very beneficial for the business for sure. That's all I really wanted to cover in this video here. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment your thoughts about this video. I appreciate you guys watching it. And don't forget, check out my store. You can buy a t-shirt, buy a long sleeve, buy a hoodie. I'm making new designs all the time. Check out the Growth Inspired shop, as I will be having kinds of different stuff that you can purchase and help support the channel. I appreciate you guys a lot. I hope you have a good day. I'll see you at the next video. See ya.